Today's video is again about a natural niche perfume by Elkhaldi Perfumes. The perfumer is Brother Mahir. He is from Palestine, and again I'm going to give a salute to all the brave people of Palestine. May Allah help them. And the perfume I'm testing right now is Casto Aroha. Aroha oud oils are mostly smoky kind of oud oils that are sweet and smoky dense. And Casto here is for Castoreum. Castoreum is an animalic kind of, animalic skanky kind of ingredient, perfume ingredient that can be mixed with other sweet notes to make a very, very lovely animalic musky kind of profile. So Castorium, raspberry, tonka and aroha oud. So I am going to give it a shot. I think it would be something like sweet gourmand kind of perfume, and let's spray this. I hope it's not powdery at all, fresh. Oops, so it's very difficult for me to spray with the left hand. Maybe the sprayer is not working. Sometimes these perfumes, they have very thick ingredients, so sometimes it's difficult. Oh, it is very, very good. I am trying to, oh, this is so good. It is perfectly gourmand, animalic, gourmand cake, fresh cake, but it is not a gourmand like fake note, like you are really sniffing a bakery item or something. It is very different. It is sweet, kind of attractive gourmand with some animalic, very, very lovely. Now the animalic over here, or the Castoreum, is playing a very, very fabulous role with raspberry note. I really love how this has played out. It is dark, it is gourmand, it is sweet, it is attractive. It is very, very, really attractive. I think I would say that if there are two perfumes that are the best from Elkhaldi Perfumes, I would rate Casto Aroha, and I think another one which had Motia, let me see, Musk Malenge. I will make another video, and it was, I think, it was Musk Flora. Yes, Musk Flora and this one, Casto Aroha. These would be my top two. This is really, really, this has smokiness in it. Oh my God, this is so good. This is so good. This stuff is really addictive. You are going to get addiction to this one. This is really, really well done perfume by Brother Mahir. Okay, so by Elkhaldi Perfumes, you can buy them from the link in the description below. So if you are trying to find where this perfumer, or who is this perfumer who made these niche natural perfumes, Casto Aroha is a very, very lovely, light animalic, light skanky, sweet, dark, attractive, alluring kind of perfume. This is really, really good. This is a perfect, I would say perfect perfume for a date night, for a romantic evening, for relaxing. Even if you want to wear it yourself, it is a very, very attractive, very relaxing, very mood lifting kind of perfume. I would say if you are feeling sad, it will pump you up to make something great. Now the Aroha Oud is there. It is, I really love how this oud oil is playing over here. So if I have the money, I might have bought this one, Casto Aroha, or the, I think, Musk Flora. These are the two of my, I think these are the two of my favorite perfume from Elkhaldi. Thanks Brother Mahir for sending me these. This one is really, really brilliantly done. The oud note over here is playing very lovely with Castoreum and raspberry. This is a very, very perfectly, and I would say very masterfully done blend, and it has some power too. It has some power. It is going to create a little bubble around you. It is not going to fill up the whole room, but it is, I think it has some power. Now I'm going to rate Casto Aroha. This one really amazed me. This one really amazed me. So I'm going to rate it 9 out of 10 for scent profile. I really love this. Oh, what a lovely perfume. 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 performance. I think it deserves more than that. I'm going to apply it on my neck because I think it has oud, more oud in it. So when the oud, there is more oud, it will have more darkness in it, and also it would be thick oil. So sometimes this sprayer, they get jammed and it's not easier to spray them. If you have the money, I think you should buy this one. This one is mask pleasing. It would be a real gift for your loved one, your wife, your spouse, your sister, your mother, or anyone. This is a very lovely perfume. So that is my review about Casto Aroha from Elkhaldi Perfumes. Brilliantly done perfume. I would really recommend this one for men and women both. Very attractive, very lovely perfume, and I am still getting the whiffs of Aroha Oud over here, and I am really enjoying it. Okay, so that is my review about this perfume. Okay, this will be the end of the series of Elkhaldi perfumes from brother Mahir from Palestine. I am really thankful to Mahir to sending me and letting me experience these great beauties, and that is all. I think I will love exploring, and I will keep on exploring new perfumes and natural perfumes and others and oud oils till the time we meet again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.